Good news, everyone! You can now renew your LTO driver's license online using the LearnGovPH app. No more long lines and less hassle. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to apply for LTO driver's license renewal online this 2026. Before we begin, make sure you have the following requirements ready: LearnGovPH app, valid driver's license, internet connection, online medical certificate, ODEPC, C certificate, and payment method. Step 1. Open the LearnGovPH app. Once you are inside the LearnGovPH app, tap the NGA section and look for LTO services. Then select Online Driver's License Application. Tap the View Profile button. Before your renewal can be processed, you need to complete the online medical exam and the Online Driver Enhancement Program, or ODEP. You can take the medical exam online through accredited telemedicine providers. After that, you also need to obtain your ODEP, or Comprehensive Driver's Education Certificate. Once completed, the records should automatically reflect in the LTO system. Next, click Account Information, then fill up your personal details. Click Next, then enter your current driver's license details, including the issuing agency or LTO office, driver's license number, expiration date, and license card serial number. Make sure to double-check all information and ensure it matches your current driver's license to avoid any issues. Next, upload a clear photo of the front and back of your driver's license. The app will also require a live selfie verification to confirm your identity. Click Next, then provide your signature in the designated signature box. Make sure your signature is clear and matches the one on your valid ID or current driver's license. Once finished, click Next. You will then be directed to the summary page containing your account information, license details, valid photo ID, and signature. Carefully review all the information to avoid any mistakes, then click Submit. Congratulations! Your profile has been successfully verified. Please note that the verification process may take at least 7 working days to be completed. The system will notify you once your account has been fully verified. You can pay using GCash, Maya, online banking, or debit and credit cards. The regular renewal fee is around 585 pesos, but this may vary depending on penalties and delivery fees. Once your renewal is approved, your digital driver's license will appear inside the LearnGovPH app. You may also choose to have the physical card delivered to your home or pick it up from an LTO branch. Important reminder: make sure all uploaded documents are clear and accurate to avoid delays. Some users online have experienced long verification times, so it's best to renew your license weeks before the expiration date. And that's it! That's how easy it is to renew your LTO driver's license online using the LearnGovPH app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn about LTO online renewal. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions.